morning children, hope you all are keeping well and welcome back to E-class of St. Xavier's School, Adipur. Now, before moving on to part 2 of chapter 13 present tense, let us revise what did we learn in part 1. In part 1, we learned what do we mean by present tense. Present tense refers to present time, that is now, whatever is happening now, at present, the current situation, understood, or at the time of speaking or writing. Even general facts or things that are always true are also expressed as present tense. We also learned that with singular we will add s to the verb. With plural we will not add s to the main verb. Isn't it? So let's move forward with this chapter. Okay? So, uses of the simple present tense. Where all you, in what all circumstances we can use simple present tense. We use a simple present tense for things that are true and don't change. Honey is sweet. It is always there. Honey is sweet only. Honey can't be sour. Understood? Or bitter. Honey is sweet. So things that are always true and not going to change. Sony likes Thai food. It's always her preference. Then, Meenu lives in Madrid. Next, to describe a current situation right now. Understood? Current situation now. Tarun is in basement. Sakshi wants some ice cream. So, current situation while speaking. Understood? Next, to talk about something that happens frequently or regularly. Understood? Hamesha hota hai ya zyadadar time hota hai. So, that what do you mean by frequently or regularly? Sandeep always comes late to school. Frequently. That has become his habit only to come late to college. Deepak's brother visits him twice in a month. So regularly Deepak's brother visits him 2 times in a month. So that is all regularity, a kind of regularity कि महीने में 2 बार वो अपने भाई से मिलने आता है. So that what do you mean by to talk something that happens frequently or regularly? That time also we will use present tense, simple present tense. See, Sandeep singular, so we are adding s. Isn't it? Here also, Deepak's brother, singular. So, we are adding s with the main verb. Got it? Next. To talk about a schedule in the future. In the future. Understood? For example, the train leaves at 7:30. Every time the train, that is the schedule of that train. Okay? The train leaves at 7:30 p.m. The tournament starts on Wednesday. It has not yet started, but it's going to start. So, the tournament starts on Wednesday. So, it also expresses the future. Understood? To talk about a schedule that we make in the future. Isn't it? Next. Moving on to exercise 4. Write in which of the following sentences simple present tense would have been a better or correct choice and why. You have to give reason also. Then rewrite the sentences in the simple present tense. Raghu is liking action films. Wrong. This is wrong. Raghu is liking. It's wrong. Raghu likes. We have to write in the simple present. You have to rewrite them into simple present. So Raghu likes action films. Reason, you also have to mention the reason. Raghu's liking for action films is not something that exists only now. It is a fact which is always the same. Understood? For regularity, for truth, understood? We express it in present tense, in simple present tense. So we will add s. Raghu likes action films. This is the correct manner of saying because it is always his interest. Next. Your vacation ended next Sunday. This is wrong way. Ended. This is wrong. We have to rewrite them in simple present. So ended, that becomes past tense. Here, this particular question is wrong. This statement is wrong. So what's the correct answer? Your vacation ends. Simple present tense. Ends next Sunday. Future. Schedule. Understood? Next, so the reason also you have to mention. The sentence is talking about a schedule in the future. That's why we can't write it as past tense, ed. We can't add ed. We have to add s. Next, horses have run fast. Isn't it sound very odd? Yes, obviously it is sounding odd. What's the correct answer? Horses run fast. Why we are not adding s to the verb? Because horses plural. Plural के साथ हम s add नहीं करेंगे main verb के साथ. The reason, the sentence is talking about a fact which does not change. Horses, they always run fast. Okay, so that is a fact, talking about a fact. So that should be in present tense. Next, I was 12 years now. Very amazing, very odd, na? So I was 12 years now. Was also, now also. How it's possible? So it's totally wrong. What's the correct answer? I am 12 years now. Am, not was. Was is for past tense. The sentence talks about a current situation. So I can't write there was. Now current situation. So I have to write here am. Next, the knights of the two kingdoms are meeting at the valley every full moon night. This is also regular, frequently, or regularly they meet, the knights, the kings of the two kingdoms. Okay, they always meet at the valley every full moon night. So simple present tense, the knights of the two kingdoms meet. You will not write are meeting. This is wrong. Okay, meet. Why meet? Because nights, plural. So we will not add s to the main verb. At the valley every full moon night. The sentence is talking about something which happens regularly, frequently. That's why this is a simple present tense. It's not a present continuous. Next. I am wanting to watch this film. I am wanting? This is wrong manner of saying. I want to watch this film. Present situation, current situation. I want to see this film. And I के साथ कभी भी s नहीं आता है. Even though it is singular, but you will not add s to the main verb. Understood? This I have told you before also. I is totally exceptional case. Next, the new dog was friendly with everyone. Was friendly? We have to convert into, we are talking about simple present tense. So was will not come. The new dog is friendly with everyone. Present situation. The sentence talks about a current situation. Question number 8. Bats were not birds. This is wrong. We have to convert it into simple present tense. So were is past tense, isn't it? So how we are going to write? Bats are not birds, because negative sentence. So bats are not birds. Now the sentence talks about something which is true and does not change, because bats are not birds. That is true. That's not going to change in any circumstances or in any situation. Next. A missile was a weapon that was sent through the air to enemy territory. Missile was a weapon, it's still a weapon. Understood? So this is wrong. So how we will write? A missile is a weapon that is sent through the air to enemy territory. The sentence talks about a fact which does not change. Next, Ali is regularly practicing yoga, frequently, regularly. So, Ali regularly practices. Is practicing becomes present continuous, and we want simple present tense, regular. Frequently, he practices yoga. So, Ali regularly practices yoga, singular. So, we will add s to the verb. The sentence talks about something which happens regularly. Now, after simple present, after understanding simple present tense, let's start with present continuous tense. These all are different forms of present tense. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So we completed simple present tense. Now let's start with present continuous tense. Let's read and understand. It is used to describe events, situation and actions going on at the present time, like simple present tense. That's happening at right now, current situation. What is the formula? Like for simple present tense, we add s with the singular. With plural, we don't add anything to the main verb. So like same way, here also we have got a formation. Is, am, are plus ing form of the main verb. For example, the sun is shining in the sky. Is shining. Is shining. Is. Because sun, singular, is. Shine plus ing. Main verb के साथ ing लगाना है. Next, who is playing such loud music? Is playing. Play plus ing. Is because singular, who. Exercise 5. Look at the picture and write what each character is doing. Use the present continuous tense. So what is the formula? What is the formation of present continuous tense? Is, am, are plus ing with the main verb. Isn't it? Am writing, is speaking. So please be careful that you use one helping verb and another one main verb with ing. Got it? Okay. Here the picture is shown to you. You have to describe this picture, what each character is doing. The names are also given here. Understood? And here they have asked you the question, what they are doing. You have to write, you have to find out from the picture and write what they are doing. Uncle Latif. Where is Uncle Latif? He is here. What he is doing? He is walking. Uncle Latif is walking. Is walking. Is helping verb. Walking. Main verb. ing. Next. Hari and Joy. Where is Hari and Joy? Joy is here and Hari is here. Hari and Joy. They are playing badminton. Are playing because plural. This is plural. So, are playing badminton. Meera and Sania. Where is Meera and Sania? Here they are. Meera and Sania. What they are doing? They are playing on a swing. Understood? So you will write Meera and Sania are playing on swings. Next, Rinku. Where is Rinku? Can you find Rinku? Yes, Rinku is here. What he is doing? Rinku is exercising. Is exercising. Next, Somu. Where is Somu here? Where is Somu? Yes, Somu is here. So, he is sliding. He is sliding. Somu is sliding. Next, Jacob. Where is Jacob? Here. Jacob is here. He is waving his hands. Isn't it? His hands are up. So, he is waving his hands. So, what you will write? Jacob is waving his hands. Next, Rita and Soumya. Where are they? Here they are. Rita and Soumya. They are talking to each other. So, how you will write? Rita and Soumya are talking to each other. Are talking. Plural. Subject is plural. So, are talking. Talk plus ing. Talking. All the children, what are they doing? All the children are enjoying themselves. Are enjoying. Enjoy plus ing. Enjoying. Next. Exercise 6. Make sentences in the present continuous tense using the words given. So here you have to convert them into present continuous tense. The man with a beard sing a sad song. So how you will convert this into present continuous? Present continuous, what's the formula? Is, am, are plus ing with the main verb. So the man with a beard sing a sad song. The man with a beard is singing a sad song. It rained heavily in Agra. It is raining heavily in Agra. The engine run with heavy noise and vibration. The engine is running with heavy noise and vibration. Manohar drive a truck. Manohar is driving a truck. Is and ing form with the main verb. 12 dancers give performance in the auditorium. 12 dancers are giving, because plural. That's why are giving performance in the auditorium. Shobit and I. Shobit and I write term paper together. So Shobit and I are, because plural, are writing term paper together. How many spectators sit stadium? How many spectators are sitting in the stadium? Okay, spectators are sitting. Why? Because S, plural, that's why are, and ing with the base form of the verb, double T, sit, S-I-T. When you write sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Okay. Next, where rat hide. Where is the rat hiding? Where is the rat hiding? Question. The merchant not ride camel. The merchant is not riding a camel. Negative, not. So, is not riding a camel. He sit under tree. He is sitting under a tree. The third form of present tense, present perfect tense. Now let's read and understand what is the formation and in what cases we use present perfect tense. It is used to talk about an event happening in a time period beginning in the past. Children, please be very careful here. This kind of sentence begins in the past and leading up to the present. Leading means directing or guiding to the present. Means the effect of the past is seen in the present. Whatever action you have done in the past, the effect is seen in the present. Now, past with, now it is also known as, now present perfect tense is also expressed as past with present relevance. What do you mean by relevance? Relevance means relating. Understood? The past relating with the present. Now, formation. What is a formation? Has or have. Has with singular, have with plural. I, exceptional case. Plus past participle of the main verb, V3 form of the verb, buy, bought, bought. This is V1, this is V2, this is V3. So you have to write this V3 form. You have to write this V3 form. That what do you mean by past participle of the main verb? Okay, let's understand this with the help of the examples. I have cleaned the bedroom. Have plus cleaned, V3. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. So V3 form. Now see how it can be considered as present perfect. What's the reason? I cleaned it in the past and it is clean now. See how it is relating past with the present. Understood that? What do you mean by present perfect tense? Relating past with the present. मैंने clean तो किया था पहले, लेकिन अभी भी वो clean है. Second example. Ruben has bought a new t-shirt. He bought it in the past and he is still having that with him. Okay. So, hope you understood this present perfect tense. Now, let's move on to exercise. Exercise 7. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences using the present perfect form of the verbs in brackets. So you have to write the present perfect form of the verb given to you in the bracket. Okay. Sunita dash for Veena. What is the formula? What is the formation of present perfect? Has or have plus V3. So has. Sunita is singular. So has left. Leave, left, left. It is like that. So has left. 13 students dash for the competition. Registered. Students, plural. So have registered. Next. You dash already dash 3 bananas. Eat, ate, eaten. It is like that. So eaten is V3 form. So you have with you may stands for singular or plural. So here you have already, like I exceptional case, you also exceptional case. With you, you will always use have. You have already eaten, V3 form, 3 bananas. Next, I dash how to make chutney. Learn. So I have told you, I के साथ हमेशा have. I have learned, V3 form, how to make chutney. Next, Nafisa dash her elbow. Hurt. So Nafisa is singular. So has hurt. Hurt. It comes like that. Understood? Put. In the same way, hurt. It's same. Her elbow. Next, 3 ministers of the cabinet dash quit. 3 ministers, we are talking about plural. So have, quit. It comes like that. It remains same in all the 3 forms. Next, Sumit's friends dash the new Alien movie. So friends, plural. So have watched. Watched. Have watched. Next, Tina dash a baby boy. Have. So Tina is singular. So has, and have, V3 form of have is had. So has had a baby boy. That's all for today, children. We have finished simple present tense, present continuous, and the half part of present perfect. Understood? The remaining half I will be taking in the next session. So hope you understood this exercise and till present perfect. Read it, go through the videos continuously and write exercise in your, don't write fill in the blanks in your notebook. Write those exercises wherever you have to write the whole sentence. Only those exercises you will write in your notebook. Take care. Bye.